Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Roblox, and today I'm going to be playing some Phantom Force, at least attempting to, because I'm not that good at the game. I'm just going to be using most of the time. Yeah, I am not good at this game. I'm only allowed limited time for this game. Wow, somebody knifed me. That's how bad I am and rusty I am. I'm just kind of warming up. I wonder if this is going to be a two-part episode, because that's normally what I normally do. I'm gonna have to do because I'm limited on 15 minutes each time. Now I'm just questioning where the heck. Finally got a kill! Yay! It's that bad. Yeah, that counts as a kill. Because this is an assist. Oh, he was right there. Oops, it isn't. I love the Scar House. I have bad aim. I'm just gonna warn you now. You can roast me all you want. Yes, you can do better. Because I am bad. Of course, I always get headshotted. Utter rage apparently in this game. I'm always the one that gets headshotted. I don't aim, I just freaking zoom in and hope that's on them. Yay, finally! Yay, I'm doing good. Ugh, I actually got some kills, that's all I care about. I thought I was gonna hit some people. But no, it's actually wrong. Oh, wow. At least it wasn't a headshot. I'm not that good with the Moison. I'm just trying to freaking get some kills and practice with it. Wow. Lag? Could you stop? Oh yeah, he has the AK-47. I also have the AK-47. I'm just testing out the gun. I'd say about 2 matches per episode. I would say. As long as I'm able to record, I haven't posted. Not recorded, posted. Without any problems. And sorry for the weird angle on this one. I cannot see the record button that's on the bottom. I didn't take that as a technical error on my part. This is my first time using this as well. Lag? He was not shooting him? Well, that's probably what I get for recording this. I normally lag a lot on 2 games that I normally play out of all 3. Okay, why me? And why me? Oh, these are rank 12 that can headshot people. Wow, that's fun. I'm not gonna immediately say hacker because that's pathetic. Just because a level 12 just headshotted you. Don't get salty over it. Yeah, we're losing by 4. Okay, good to know. I'm just gonna get my this. Just stay up there. Dun, dun. Let me back here because normally there's someone's camping up here on top. Like we just saw earlier with those double kill that I luckily got. That was all straight up luck. You know what? Okay. 15-9 in this match, and it's already been 7 minutes. Around 7 minutes, I'd say. Boring. Have you ever heard that you can skip? Can't believe we both thought the same idea. Cut through the house. We killed each other. That was cool. How long does it have left in this match? 3 minutes? Okay, that's pretty good. I'd say that's pretty good. Okay, lag. When he popped out, he never was shooting at me, but I'll accept the fact that he was shooting at me. This is what I hate the most about lag. But yeah, this game, the honey badger in this version, I just stood there. That's fun. When you just stand there and they don't notice you. I can't be with the shotgun. Oh wow, we have somebody with 42, 43 kills, and he's a low 27. Wow, and we're winning by 2. Okay, what the heck? He's a very fast and good aimer. My gosh. Oh well, Zempy's using I love that. I have bad aim. I'm blaming that. Moving everything. Ah, nice. Yes. I'm just going back here because I know I'm safe for a little while. Well, that's a good game. I have the worst aim ever. I want to get one more sniper kill before the end of this time. But I think they don't. Yeah! Laggy headshot! Best thing on earth. Oh, a collateral? With a frag, ooh. Or that. Yeah. Well, this is gonna be it for this episode. I hope you did enjoy. If you guys want me to do more, let me know in links below, and also I'm in the comments down below. Man, I hope you guys did enjoy. I'll see you guys next.